睇完《魔幻森林》嘅第一個感覺就係，即係我冇諗過係咁嘅，從一個童話裏頭好現實咁還原咗嘅一個張高卜咯。
可能你唔講俾人聽，人哋都未必會知道嗰啲係 CGI。
嗰種 CGI 嗰個技術咧，比起嗰陣時少年派咧，即係先進咗好多倍。
佢用嘅技術，即係令到我喺裏邊嗰種存在感好強烈咯。匪夷所思，到底點樣做出嚟嘅咧？
即係大人同細路哥都好啱睇嘅，即係我頭先有好幾個位我都即係都好感動，即係啲親子位啊！
我喺度睇嘅時候，我覺得呢個小朋友會提名奧斯卡喺最佳男主角。
一隻 CG 做嘅動物係真係可以成為一個角色。你見到佢演戲嘅時候，佢真係做到一個演員所做嘅嘢，喺佢個動態上邊啊，或者係表情上邊一啲小嘅動作咧，其實佢而家已經真正係一個演員咁樣去出現。我覺得呢個大家都可以即係更加留意下嘅。
If you can't learn to run with the pack, one of these days you'll be someone's dinner.
I can't help but notice there's this strange odor today. I must think it was some kind of man cub.
The cub is mine.
You want to protect him? I will have you all in my teeth!
I don't want to see anyone get hurt.
The only way we can save him is if he goes to the man village.
Why does the tiger hate me so much?
Down.
Ah!
Run, Mowgli!
Never forget, no matter where you go or what they may call you, you will always be my son.
You say you want to go to the man village. I say you could be a man right here.
What are you doing so deep in the jungle?
Stay away from the boy. He's mine. Did you think I would let you grow old?